In this video, I'm going to show you on how you can use the ClickUp API key. So, without further ado, let's begin. First, open your web browser and go to app.clickup.com and log in to your ClickUp account. Once you're inside your main dashboard, go to the top right to access your profile and from the drop-down menu, click on Settings. From here, we should see all of our settings right here on the left, but we're going to scroll down until we see this ClickUp AI under Integrations and Click Apps. Now, once we're here, simply click on Generate. Then, you sign in with the Google account to generate your API token. Now, we have an API token. So once we copy this, we can now paste this to any other software that we want to connect our ClickUp with. As easy as that. So, if you find this video helpful and want to support our channel, feel free to use our affiliate link given in the video description. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.